How y'all doing? My name is Chris, by the way, and this is my 2.5-year-old American Pit Bull Terrier named Wolverine, aka Wild Child. I already have worked him out earlier today, so that's why he's tired. I named him Wolverine because my favorite animal is the wolverine, and I like Michigan. The wolverine is very highly intelligent, and it's very strong for its size. And this is the machine right here that I work him on. I do other workouts too. I do running, fetch, I do tug of war. I hide his toy and he searches for it, hide and go seek. He knows how to do that. He's very friendly to kids. The reason why I started getting into working dogs out in the first place is because before I got saved by Jesus Christ, I had a dog before. I didn't take good care of her. I was young and I was dumb. I basically shoved her in the cage all day and did nothing with her. The only time she had any time with me is the time I fed her. And I told God the next time I get a dog that I want to give him the best of everything. So this is one of the treadmills I have right here. And this treadmill is free spinning. What that means is kind of like a hamster wheel. So what I do is I tie him off on here with his harness up at the top, and it can spin on its own. See, right now he think he going on the treadmill. You see him? What's up, Wolverine? You want to run, boy? Ha! You want to run, boy? Look at him. You see him? Who want to run? You want to run? Good boy. Come here. Good boy. So now, since Wolverine got all his rest, I'm going to show you guys how I run him. Easy, boy. I usually do 2 sessions with him. And I always let the dog run as long as he wants to run. Now, it's going to appear that the dog is biting me. The dog is not biting me. He's just excited. You want to run, boy? Good boy. Now. You want to run, boy? Let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. You see that? Pick him up, put him on there. That's right. Let's go. Good boy. So see, he didn't run that much. I take him off, lift him back down. The second session is always more intense. So now, after he's done with the first session, I'm gonna let him out, use the bathroom, and then I'm gonna give him a little break, and then he's gonna come back and get right back on the treadmill. Now, before you work him out on the treadmill, you want to warm him up first, like maybe a small walk or game of fetch. See how he act? He ready to go. He ready to go for that walk. Good boy, cut it out. Hey, good boy. That's right. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Go, boy. I let him pull it like this to build muscle. Go, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You want to always let him empty out. Let him get everything out of his system. Because the dog runs better on an empty stomach, and he runs better when all of the poop is out of his intestines. You usually want to give him an object to chase after. Sit, boy. Good boy. High five. Good boy. High five. Good boy. Speak. Good boy. Spin. Good boy. Spin. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy. Sit up. Sit up. Good boy. Lay down. Okay. Wanna run, boy? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. That's fine. That's fine. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. You wanna run, boy? You wanna run, boy? Good boy. You wanna run, boy? Good boy. You wanna run, boy? Who wanna run? Who wanna run, boy? You wanna run? Good boy. Good boy. You wanna run? Good boy. Hold on now. Hold on. Good boy. And you see he slows down because he's done. Now keep in mind, I already had worked him out before he got on the mill. So he's pretty tired. What you do is you put your foot on the treadmill so it doesn't spin. Take him off and lift him off of there. I usually do a light walk after the treadmill. See how he's slowing down? He can still go. But he stops pulling after a while because he's tired. So this is Wolverine after his walk, after the treadmill sessions. Take his collars off. Now what you want to do, you always want to study your animal, study your dog. Make sure that you're not giving them too much. Pay attention to them closely when you're working them out, because you can actually overwork and accidentally kill the dog. And now I'm just gonna massage him up. Stretches out his limbs and massages his paws and everything. Come here, boy. Good boy, come. Come. Well, there. Look at him. Big baby. Big baby. Look at that. You see that? That's his sweet spot. His sweet spot. Good boy. Good boy. And that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Go get it.